How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Mix Oat colorway. This pair has got to be my first 350 V2 pickup in a long time. And I don't know what it is about this colorway, but for some reason, the promo pictures of this shoe caught my eye, so I figured why not pick them up and throw up a review. Before we go on any further though, today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. So Heffelux is my favorite go-to sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material as Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort for your shoes, be sure to check out that link down below for their website. You'll see they sell 4 different insole options, so depending on the type of insole density and cushioning setup you're looking for, there's going to be something for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They definitely make a big difference in the comfort of my shoes. So if you guys want to experience the comfort of these insoles, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase, and be sure to tell them I sent you. So back to these Yeezys, these dropped on Saturday, October 23rd for $220 US or $300 here in Canada. And the style code for this pair is GW3773. So diving straight into the details, the upper of this pair is constructed out of prime knit, but the thing that really caught my eye about this prime knit, it has this almost marble-like swirly look to it, incorporating different colors including tan, yellow, orange, and blue. So this gives the shoe much more of an organic look, and it's something I definitely really liked. Running down the entire lateral side of the shoe, we have this translucent netting, which creates a stripe-like effect which runs from heel to toe. And because this stripe is semi-translucent, the socks you wear definitely matter. In contrast, on the medial side, there's no stripe on this side, so this is entirely covered in prime knit, and as you can see towards the back end, there's much more elements of blue on this side, and maybe it's the blue, but for some reason it kind of feels like I'm looking at a map. Stitched onto the back heel, we have a semi-translucent heel pull tab, which is done in this tan color. As with all your other 350 V2s, the heel protrudes backwards, and this also helps as an additional pull tab as well to help put your foot into the shoe. For the laces, so these come with these tan or off-white colored laces, and something I found very interesting but I actually didn't love is that the laces are covered in this additional layer in this material that seems like the same material used for the side stripe. So this gives the lace much more of a crunchy feel, which again I could definitely do without. So the inner liner of these 350 V2s has additional padding surrounding the back Achilles area, and running down the center of the back heel, we have the Adidas 3 stripes, which is done in this reflective 3M finish. For the insoles, these come with a thin foam line insole. It's done in this tan colored finish, and we have Adidas and Yeezy branding stamped on the back heel. So the upper of the 350 V2s sits atop this full-length Boost midsole, and the Boost itself is encased within this rubber carrier. So just like all your other 350 V2s, the midsole has this ridged look to it, and it's done in this semi-translucent finish, so you can kind of see the Boost from within. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is just like all your other 350 V2 outsoles. So this is done in this tan or cream colored rubber. We have this exposed Boost on the forefoot along with this triangular cutout along the back heel, and underneath this we have Boost branding. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this shoe. And for those wondering how these fit, to me, I usually go a half size up for my 350 V2s, so that's what I did with this shoe, and I got these in a 10.5. I know some people stick true to size now with the 350 V2. Because my feet are slightly on the wider side, I still prefer the half size up. It gives my toes much more breathing room, and I don't feel like the toe box is crunching down on top of my toes. But your mileage may vary depending on how you like your shoes to fit. You can either go true to size or half size up. Moving on to comfort, so these feel like any of your other 350 V2s. So with that said, they're pretty comfortable if you're looking for a soft, very cushioned ride. This shoe incorporates full-length Boost, and I'm sure you guys know how Boost feels by now. It really has that cloud-like pillowy feel. So if you're someone that needs a bit more support and structure in your shoes, then you might not necessarily love how these feel on feet. However, if you're looking for more of a soft, pillowy ride, then you're definitely going to love this pair. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, honestly, not too much needs to be said about this. And there's no actual premium materials on this shoe. However, the overall build and construction was perfectly fine. I had zero issues from that standpoint, so solid job from Adidas. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Mix Oat Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. To me, the 350 V2 isn't a silhouette I wear too often anymore, and the majority of the colorways I've released in the past year or two, honestly, they kind of all look the same to me. However, this one definitely caught my eye. I know the opinions on the streets are kind of split, and there's pretty much no resale on the shoe, but I just thought the colorway was a very unique look on the silhouette, and I think it strikes that good balance of boldness while being a colorway that's still very wearable and pretty versatile. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Mix Oat Yeezy Boost 350 V2. What are your overall thoughts on this colorway? And for those watching, did you guys cop these or did you pass? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter as well at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. You can also check out my podcast called the Channel 8 Podcast. So the video version I actually upload right here to my YouTube channel if you want to watch it, but if you want to just stream the audio only version, you can check it out on most of your major podcast platforms, including Spotify, Apple, and Podbean. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.